Hello, fabulous people. It's later in the afternoon. I forgot about you. I have just been doing some client calls. Just got off a call with my color analysis alumni. It's students that have taken my color training, and we just further our time together. Oh, Charlie! And my fur ball hasn't been with me all morning because he just had a groom. Oh, and you got a Christmas scarf. My goodness. Look at you. Oh, look at you in your Christmas scarf, handsome. Oh, what a nice, handsome boy. Oh, you look so good. You look so good. Hi, baby. It's so not the same. All my fur mamas know it's not the same when your fur babies aren't around. It's just not the same energy in your house. I'm so glad he's back. What a cute little guy. He's so sweet. Anyway, I just finished, like I said, a client call with all my color analysis alumni, and I've got about a 40-minute break, and then I've got a private call with one of my beautiful private clients that I've been working with for, gosh, almost 2 years. She is wonderful. Shout out to Tanya if you're watching. And anyway, all that to say, I'm going to go actually make a cup of coffee. I haven't even had coffee today. Like, on what planet does that happen? So I'm gonna go brew a cup of coffee for my next call. Let's go do that now.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord.
Hello, beautiful souls. It is much later in the day. It's been a crazy day, and I think it's almost actually 7 o'clock. That's how much I've left you.
It's almost 8 o'clock.
almost 8. A busy day, and actually Sean and I just got back because my car was going in, or is going in, for service, and so we had to drop it off at the dealership late, and of course because it's late, we picked up food. So we just grabbed some Subway. I always get a veggie sub there. Just love veggies. And so quite honestly, we're just gonna sit down and I think watch some TV because it has just been a very long day. And in true form, the mooch. The mooch and the wedge, who's got his cute little haircut, took the scarf off because he wasn't a fan. And he's shaking with excitement, hoping for food. Like, we don't feed him, even though he's already had his dinner. He acts like I feel like all dogs are like that. Any of my fur parents out there.
Yeah.
Do you find your dogs?
If you feed the dog.
Well, you would get bored if you had the same meal every single day. That's my reasoning for feeding him all the time. Anyway, we're gonna have some food. I'll touch base in a bit. Okay, it is time for an advent. Charlie, do you want your advent? I love that he knows. Don't you, bud? Okay. Got a little advent for my guy? Okay, sit. Nice boy. Okay, my sweet, sweet guy. Apparently, it is very challenging for me to get these cookies out. Oh my goodness. What a nice boy. Can you sit down? Down. Good, down. Ah. Thank you. Good boy. Oh, he makes my heart so happy. Okay, and then let's see what our day number 11 is. Okay. Let's hope it works out better, sorry, than yesterday's fiasco. Or no, sorry, the day before, my apologies. Okay. Kashmiri Kawa Masala Chai. It's a spiced green tea. Interesting. All right, let's brew ourselves a cup of tea. while the tea cools, I had to share this company with you guys because I found, through TikTok actually, a company called Strange Tales, and they make these very cool leashes for dogs and dog owners that I fell in love with, and their like delivery time's a bit long right now. I think they're a small business, and I think they started doing really well on TikTok, or at least that's my belief anyway. And so I ordered this back at the beginning of November and only just got it. However, they make these very cool leashes, but what I love is it's a hand-free leash. And I don't know, actually, what is this material? Does it say on here? They're biothane leashes. They have a gazillion different colors for those of you that love color selection, because I do too. And you guys know me, I love white and gold. And so I got a set for Charlie in white and gold. And what I love is, actually, I bought this specifically for Hilton Head because I want to be able to go for a walk on the beach. I want Charlie to roam and enjoy himself on the beach. Like, it's not like traditional walking street side where he'd have to be right by my side. I want him to explore and have fun. But I also hate like the tugging and pulling when he does that. And so I saw these hands-free leashes on their TikTok. I thought it was friggin' brilliant. And they're cute too. Like, they're really cute, and they have all these attachments that you can attach to the hands-free leash to hold anything from like dog bags, of course, to like any personal items like your phone and whatnot as well. And so I thought it was brilliant. But the weight of these is so lovely and like truly like beautiful quality. And what I loved about the biothane that they make them from is that you can wash them. So even as they get dirty just from your hands, from even being outside, etc., you can still wash it and it'll look essentially brand new. So anyway, I had to share. I love finding small businesses like that, and the quality is beautiful. And they're Canadian. Or I believe, I'm almost positive they're Canadian. I believe they are. So I love supporting Canadian brands. And like, look at the little charm on the leash. Is that gonna show the little moon? Isn't that cute? I think it's so beautiful. The only thing that, well, I haven't tried this with Charlie yet, but like the clasps on the leash are a little bit too big for him. Like, they also be really heavy on Charlie. He needs something smaller, so I might end up replacing those. But anyway, highly recommend. I'm very excited to bring this down to Hilton Head, and depending on how I enjoy it and how Charlie likes it too, I might end up ordering another set to use here as well for when we go for walks here. So anyway, all that to say, let me try our tea. I didn't know there was even such a thing as a green tea chai. And I mean, you can definitely smell both of those things in the aroma. No. Mm-mm. I don't like that one, but I will say it's not as bad as the lemon one I had the other day. There, like, genuinely, I'm sure there's probably people that would actually like that, but it's still too bitter for me. I'm just not a fan. I'd rather have like a regular chai, but I will definitely not be drinking that. Definitely not. And look at Charlie. All cozied up with Papa. With your new little haircut, even though it's a bit shorter than what I wanted. At least we're gonna be going somewhere warm-ish, so it won't be so bad. I know you're not a big fan of your sweaters. Yeah. You're so beautiful. So we'll just wrap you up like a little burrito when you're here. Go and be a little burrito. It's so funny watching him get tired. I'm sure many of you are like this too, but, or your animals are, but Charlie's got such a set bedtime from knowing when we go to bed typically. And so as soon as it's around like our bed, like our bedtime, he starts to get like droopy eyed and wants to go to sleep too. And even Riley, our cat, if you guys remember him, Riley used to stand in our hallway if we were dare like 5 minutes past our bedtime, and he would go to the absolute end of the hall and he would just sit and meow like, hello, you guys are supposed to be in a different room by now. Do you remember that? It'd be so annoying. Yeah. Even if you're trying to watch like TV or a movie or something at the end of the night and it's past your bedtime, you would like meow and meow and meow, and Jordan made us bonkers. Anyway, you look pretty cozy in there too.
Not really.
No, why?
It's not that comfortable.
Really? You look pretty cozy. Anyway, I know this is a very, very short vlog today.
You say that every single
No, but
time.
today is really short. I don't think I've...
look online and they're like 20 minutes.
No, but today really was short.
What are you doing? Filming a documentary?
But I actually think today was short. Other than like saying a quick hello to them during work, and then the tea and Charlie, I really haven't talked to you guys at all. Like we didn't do anything. It was just a whirlwind of a work day for me. But c'est la vie, that is true to life. So I'm sending you much love, and we will hang out tomorrow for our final Vlogmas. See ya.